In the ever-expanding universe of business software, choosing the right tools for your team can feel like navigating a complex maze. Two names that frequently pop up in discussions around project management, collaboration, and broader business operations are ClickUp and Zoho. While both aim to boost productivity, they approach the challenge from different philosophies and offer distinct feature sets. As a project management expert, I often guide teams through these decisions. So let's unpack the core differences between ClickUp and Zoho to help you determine which might be the better fit for your specific needs. It's important to clarify that Zoho isn't a single product. Zoho is a vast software company that offers over 50 individual applications covering almost every business function imaginable: CRM, accounting, HR, marketing, email, etc. When comparing Zoho to ClickUp in the context of project management, we're primarily looking at Zoho Projects, Zoho's dedicated project management application, and potentially the broader integration capabilities if you opt for Zoho One, their all-encompassing suite. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a highly comprehensive work management platform designed to be a one app to replace them all for work specifically, though it extends far beyond just project management. 1. Scope and philosophy, depth versus breadth. ClickUp, the all-in-one work OS, deep customization, single ecosystem. ClickUp's core philosophy is to be the ultimate customizable work management platform. It aims to replace multiple tools, task managers, document creators, spreadsheets, whiteboards, chat apps, and even some light CRM functions, all within one highly flexible environment. Its strength lies in its incredible depth of customization and the sheer number of features packed into a single application. Customization is king. ClickUp offers an unparalleled level of customization. You can tailor everything from task statuses, custom fields, views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, table, workload, map, mind map, whiteboard, and more. Automations, and even the Click apps, optional features you can turn on or off to precisely match your team's unique workflows. Hierarchical structure. It operates on a robust hierarchy. Workspace, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, subtasks, checklists. This allows for meticulous organization, from high-level company goals down to granular daily to-dos. Workload management. ClickUp excels in helping project managers visualize team capacity and allocate resources effectively with dedicated workload views. AI integration. Increasingly, ClickUp is embedding AI capabilities for tasks like content generation, summarizing, and data analysis within its platform. Zoho Projects focus project management. Integrated suite approach. Zoho, particularly Zoho Projects, focuses on providing a strong, dedicated project management solution that is part of a much larger ecosystem. Zoho's strength is the seamless integration between its many specialized applications. Integrated suite. Zoho's primary differentiator is the ability to connect Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, accounting, Zoho Desk, customer support, Zoho Analytics, and many other Zoho applications. This creates a powerful, interconnected business operating system if you commit to the entire Zoho ecosystem. Structured project planning. Zoho Projects is known for its more traditional approach to project management, emphasizing clear timelines, milestones, Gantt charts, and resource allocation. It's often seen as more straightforward for those accustomed to classic project management methodologies. Time tracking and invoicing. Zoho Projects offers robust time tracking directly linked to projects, with strong capabilities for generating invoices based on tracked time, particularly when integrated with Zoho Books. Customer support focus. Zoho is renowned for its responsive customer support, often providing faster live chat responses compared to some competitors. 2. User experience and learning curve. ClickUp, due to its vast feature set and deep customization options, ClickUp can have a steeper learning curve. While incredibly powerful, new users might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices and configurations. It often requires dedicated time for setup and onboarding to truly harness its potential. However, once mastered, its flexibility is a huge asset. Zoho Projects. generally considered easier to use and more intuitive for new users. Its interface is often described as cleaner and more straightforward, making it quicker for teams to get up and running, especially if their project management needs align with more traditional structured approaches. The learning curve is less steep, which can be a significant advantage for teams prioritizing rapid adoption. 3. Key feature comparisons for project management. Feature category: ClickUp, Zoho projects, task management, highly customizable statuses, priorities, custom fields, checklists, subtasks, many views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, table, mind map, whiteboard, etc. Clear task lists, milestones, dependencies, subtasks. Views include Gantt, Kanban, task list, and calendar. Strong focus on traditional project phases. Automation: extremely powerful and flexible automation engine with numerous triggers, conditions, and actions. Can automate workflows across various ClickUp features. Good automation features for tasks and workflows, especially useful for automating actions within Zoho projects or when integrated with other Zoho apps via Zoho Flow. Collaboration: real-time collaboration on docs, whiteboards, tasks, chat, comments, assign comments, proofing. Built for dynamic team interaction. Solid communication features with internal chat, forums, and commenting on tasks. Document management and basic collaboration. Reporting and dashboards. Highly customizable dashboards with various widgets to visualize project progress, workload, burn down/burn up, and more. Strong analytics capabilities. Comprehensive reporting on project progress, time logs, resource utilization, and budget. Pre-built reports and customizable options. Time tracking. Native time tracking with billable/non-billable options, Pomodoro timer. Integrates with external time trackers. Robust native time tracking with detailed timesheets. Seamless integration with Zoho Invoice/Books for billing clients directly from tracked hours. Resource management. Strong workload visualization to see team capacity and reallocate tasks. Effective resource allocation and utilization reports. Integrations. Extensive native integrations with popular apps, Slack, Google Workspace, GitHub, Zoom, Figma, HubSpot, Salesforce, etc. Also, strong Zapier integration for connecting with thousands of other apps. Strong native integration within the Zoho ecosystem, CRM, books, desk, analytics, etc. Also integrates with popular third-party apps like Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, Google Workspace, Zapier. Pricing. Offers a generous free forever plan with unlimited users and tasks, but limited storage/features. Paid plans are tiered based on features, unlimited, business, enterprise, and are per user per month. Offers a free plan for small teams, up to 5 users, 2 projects. Paid plans are also tiered, premium, enterprise, and are per user per month, generally considered competitive. Zoho One bundles all Zoho apps for a comprehensive cost.